Hi guys, right now we are just about to leave the ryokan to see the first sunrise of 2020. Happy New Year! Hi, so we are just on our way to Fuefukigawa Fruits Park. I hope I said that right.
But no, it's Fuefukigawa Fruits Park.
Yeah, and my husband is just buying some coffee in 7-Eleven and we'll be on our way to see the first sunrise of 2020. It's kind of a culture here in Japan to watch the sunrise, the first sunrise of the year. So hopefully there's parking for us, and yeah, I'm just so excited, and hopefully there's not much people, which I doubt. Well, anyway, it's expected. It's the first day of the year. So let's hope for the best. 7-Eleven. My husband is buying coffee right now, and one thing I like about 7-Eleven is their coffee is so good. I love to drink black coffee, and 7-Eleven has one of the best black coffees. I mean, here in Japan. I don't know in other places in the world, but here in Japan the coffee is really good. On the way to see the sunrise. Yay! It's coming. I guess the sunrise will be coming from this area. Yeah. Waiting for the sunrise. It's right there. Ah! So we are here waiting for the first sunrise of the year here at Fuefukigawa Fruits公園. There is Mount Fuji right there. We are at the parking lot now, and the sunrise should be there. And I'm doing time lapse with my GoPro. Whew. Super cold. Mount Fuji. That is so cool. They have fireworks for the sunrise and the bells ring. It's so cool. And we just saw the first sunrise of the year. Happy New Year, everyone. We are now on our way back to the ryokan to have our breakfast and then going back to